going to be learning to tell time to the quarter hour today. We've already learned that if our big hand is on the 12, we have o'clock. That is our 00 hour. If our big hand is on the 6, we've learned that that is half past the time because it is halfway around our clock. So now we're going to learn a quarter hour. So if you think about my dollar over here, how many quarters are in a dollar? There's 4. So when we're thinking about our clock, we're going to have it divided into quarters, or 4 pieces. So here I have a piece of paper that I have folded into 4 pieces. Now with our dollar, that is out of 100, but we don't have 100 on our clock. What do we have? How many minutes are in an hour? We have 60. So a quarter of 60 minutes is 15 minutes. Now 15 plus 15 is 30. So half of my clock is 30 minutes. All right. So then my next quarter is going to be 15, and my last quarter is going to be 15. So every quarter of the hour is 15 minutes. Our total time we would have, if we're doing all of it, would be 60 minutes. So if I add 15 plus 15, which we know is 30, and 15 plus 15, which we know is 30, 30 plus 30 is 60. So when we're doing our quarter hours, every 15 minutes is a quarter. So let's start with number 1. It has the little hand on the 7 and the big hand on the 12. So what time is that? That's 7 o'clock. So on the line, I'm going to write 7 O, clock. Sorry, O apostrophe clock. 7 o'clock. Now we have 15 minutes has passed. So if we think of this as a fraction, this much of our fraction is gone. So the time is 5, 10, 15, 7, 15, and we would call this quarter after 7, because 15 minutes have passed. Every quarter is 15 minutes of an hour. So 7:15 is quarter after 7. Now on number 3, we've gone down to, oops, there he is. We have gone down to our 6. We know that our 6 means 30. So it is now 7:30. And we call that half past 7. We've learned that one. We use that one a lot. Now we're adding another 15 minutes. So my big hand is now on the 9. My little hand is almost on the 8 as we're getting closer to that hour. So it's now, we have 30 here, so 35, 40, 45, 7:45. And that would be called quarter till 8. So it goes to the next hour. So now we are only 15 minutes until the 8 o'clock hour. So we call that quarter till 8. You'll hear your parents and grandparents say this a lot, so now you'll know what they're talking about. So essentially what we've done is we've taken our clock. This was half. And then this one is the quarter till, so it's this part, because we used till instead of after. Those directional words are very important when we're trying to figure this out. All right, let's flip over to the back side. What time is it on number 5? Our little hand is the hour. Remember, hour is a small word, so it's the small hand. And it's in between the 5 and the 6, so it goes back to that 5. What is our minute hand? 1, 2, 3, right? So we need to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So it is 5:15. That 15 is right here in this first quarter. So we will call it quarter after 5. All right, on number 6, we have our hour hand is in between the 9 and the 10, so it goes back to that former hour, so 9. And then our minute hand is on the 3, so we count 5, 10, 15. So it's 9:15. Now this one is using this part of our clock. So that is the first quarter of our clock. So we call it quarter after, what's our hour? 9. So quarter after 9. Number 7, our hour hand is in between the 5 and the 6. So it goes back to the former hour, 5. And our minute hand's over here on the 9, so we count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Or we can just remember that this is 30, so 35, 40, 45. All right, so it's 5:45. And this one is using this section of the clock, which is our quarter till. Now, it's a quarter till the next hour, which would be, quarter till the next hour, which would be 6. So you put quarter till 6 on that one. Last one. This one, our hour is in between the 9 and the 10, so it goes back to the first hour, so 9. Our minute hand is on the 9, so starting here, 30, 35, 40, 45. It is 9:45. 45 is on this side of the clock, so that is our quarter till. What hour are we a quarter till? The 10. That's it, guys. This might be a little difficult, so we'll be working a lot on our guided practices using this concept. But if you ever have any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll help you as much as I can. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.